First thing we'll do, I'll use the handy handles they've got here and flip this all the way over and remove the carrying bag. Set that aside. Now it's a piece of cake. You're just gonna walk out the corners like so. Try and keep the canopy itself positioned correctly. Just keep pulling that out. Now we'll go underneath the canopy. Let me move this around a little bit. I'll walk underneath here. You can just lift it up. Go underneath. I'm gonna push up the center. So you can see I can actually walk this around one-handed by myself. Really easy to just move around. Now we just need to extend the legs. To do that, it's really simple. You're just gonna push this button in, and that's gonna allow the leg to extend. Just lift that up. One leg's extended. You can do this by yourself, no problem. Go with leg number 2. It's okay if it kind of tilts to the side a little bit while you're doing this. Leg number 3. Now we'll lift up leg number 4. And just like that, matter of minutes, it's deployed, literally just a couple minutes to set this thing up. Now the way the canopy attaches, there is some Velcro straps here that you wrap around. You can just leave those after the first time you set it up, just leave those there. And then if there's no wind, like it's very light breeze out here for me today, you can set it up just like this. It's gonna work just fine. If there is some wind and you want to tie it down with some stakes, it's got loops on all 4 corners. As you go around, you can put a rope with a stake on each of those, and that'll work really well. I do feel it's very sturdy the way it is. Obviously you can wobble it a little bit, but unless there's some high winds, I don't really think you need the rope or stakes. So you're just looking at a couple minutes to set this up. No exaggeration, it's an absolute piece of cake. Looks really nice on the inside also. There's also some vents up there. So if you've got to get together, you need some shade and you need some protection maybe from a little rain, this is going to be fantastic. So to take this down, we'll start with the legs again, lowering those, and then you'll click this red button up there and pull this down, and that will allow it to collapse. All right, I'm setting my stopwatch. Go. See how long this takes to put away. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4. We'll go under, push the button, let it collapse down. Now we'll just walk it in. Try and keep the canopy kind of the way it naturally lays here. Okay, we walked it all the way in. Let's put it back in the bag. Time, I don't know if you can see that, 1 minute and 25 seconds to put that thing away completely. That's incredible. 1.5 minutes to put away. Put my rope and stakes away up here in the pocket they've got provided, but this is a fantastic product. Piece of cake to set up. Anybody can do it. You can even do it by yourself in just a matter of minutes. I'd highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice pop-up canopy.